today's home hint from Border Home Inspection. Today I'm in an older home and I'm inspecting a furnace, and I came across a sticker on the furnace and it got me thinking about something. I'll show you what I'm thinking. So this furnace is an old Lennox furnace. I don't know for sure how old it is. I just inspected it. It sounds good, and it just I like the older furnaces. Sometimes this old you start to have problems, but in this case this one sounds good, looks good. You look at the sticker here, it says buy Canadian, keep Canadians working. It's interesting, you know, that 50 years ago that they still had that mentality. Today we ship everything off overseas, try to get the cheapest price. You know, this old furnace has been running for, I'm guessing, at least 50 years and still sounds great. You know, I always joke about Lennox. I say that they made mistakes when they built their furnaces. They didn't realize they should have put faulty or parts in them that basically fail after a certain amount of times. I think maybe they figured that out now, I don't know, but a lot of times these newer components, whether it's a freezer or a stove or any kind of appliance, they just don't last. And you know, you get 20 years out of it and you're thinking, wow, that's really good. Whereas you get these older appliances, they were built to last, and they did, and they still are. I encourage you, if you have an older furnace like this, to and you have someone that comes in and says to you that, you know, it's old, you better change it, it's cost you more money to run. Well, you know, when you think about the newer furnaces, if they flame sensors go or condensate leaks, you know, it's going to cost you money, and they got to be checked more often by technicians. I'm not convinced. The older ones are more expensive to run. So that's today's thought. Hopefully it's found a few of you that can reminisce with the old guy like myself here. Have a good day, and stay warm out there, eh?